So guys, for today's video, we are going to put awning on our slides. So this is what we are going to do today to put this one.
This is about like it, ain't it?
Hi guys, for today's video, we are going to put awning one of our slides here at the back. So right now Mr. Wandering World is putting this what you call this, love?
Butyl tape.
Butyl tape, and this one we're gonna put there on the side of the camper. So this is, do you want my help?
Well, yeah, it'd be nice.
So this is what we're doing now, putting this tape. So that's it guys, and we're gonna cut it. After this done guys, put this tape, and now the next is, guys, I'm gonna get the paper of this. Don't stop, because you need to do like that all the time. See that guys, it will be like that if you're gonna stop it. So just continue, pull the paper. Guys, I get this already, and we are ready to put this in the side of the camper, but it's on the other side because we are going to put this one, like this one, the awning there guys. That's why our slides in, so that it's easy for us to work. And we are going up here and work in this, and that bar we are gonna put it up there on the top.
Okay. Come up here, you gonna help me?
Yep, so we are going up here already. Wondering what is putting this dot, and so that's our, we are going to put on that edge, this one.
You see it?
Yeah, wait. So by this time guys, after you put in the dot, you're gonna press this,
Okay,
so that it will stick to the
let me get over there.
camper. Okay. And now Mr. Wonderworld is putting the screw already. So you need to like one it.
Do you see the mark?
Yeah, this one is a little bit higher. There. There you go.
Okay.
I fix it. So guys, when you are going to put the screw, don't put the screw like what you call this, next to one another. You need to put the screw like there is a space first, so that it's easy for you to work. Guys, it's really hot over here, and now Mr. Wandering World is already putting the screw next to each one of this already. And after this, we are going to put the other one for this side. It's hot.
There's got to be some more screws in that bag.
Why, you need more screw?
Yeah, I'm missing some.
Okay, let me get.
Measured at 1.5 inches. It's supposed to be 2 inches, at least 2 inches, but with this hitting down here, it won't.
Yeah, so we cannot make it 2 inches top of this slides. So guys, since we cannot make it 2 inches,
So you
top
just made
of the
it
slides.
1 3/4. It's 1 3/4.
So that's what he measured it.
Okay.
This is the awning, guys, that we are going to put there. This is it.
Need to measure.
So now, guys, he is putting this bar in.
And let's just use these screws.
And use the screw.
There's that one.
So other side. So here, guys, we are going to put this bar in here, and Mr. Wondering World, we're going to explain how to
You have
put
to,
it.
like on the video we watched, you just line up all these holes.
See, there's a hole there.
And there's a notch in this thing.
And a
For
notch.
this.
So I don't know, you can see it there, guys. So put the screw there, and then use this. And that's it.
That's it.
So our awning is ready to put it there.
Mhm.
This one we are going to put also a tape. And this one, this too, should be lined here. And this. So that's what he's doing right now. So you need to put 2 of that tape.
Yep, 2 pieces.
So cut another one. Now, guys, we already put this. We already get this one. We are ready now to put this
We're going to put
on the
these on.
side of our camper. Now, guys,
It shows just to put this up here like so. And stick it on there like that.
so this time you're gonna stick this one on your slides. So
Yep.
that's what we're doing now. And to the other side also as well.
Yep. Let me put this. Okay.
And now screw. Baby, are you gonna close it? It won't. It won't. So now, guys, we are going to put the screw already. Guys, it's done. Put all the screws already. So now we're on the other side. Good job. Guys, the other one is already done. So what's for next, love?
Next, I'll put the awning on.
So now, guys, after this, we are going to put the awning already here. So just wait and see. We are ready to put this slides. Now the awning. We are ready to put the awning. Guys, we are heading at the back and ready to slide this. And put it there. So, guys, this one we are going to slide it here. So, guys, we already put this awning here. As you can see, we slide it all over there. And this one we put it here also. So now Mr. Wondering World is going to put the other side and slides it in. I don't know if you can see. Guys, look at that. We put already the awning. So as you can see, we're done. It's so quick.
I left all the screws down there
You want me to get
in a
it?
bag.
As you can see, before you're gonna put this, slide it here and then slide this inside all the way, all this. And Mr. Wondering World put this just to slide on the first one that we put it, so that after you can just, this one will just get in here. And that's the time you're gonna put the other side, because if you're gonna put this one first, you're having a hard time to put the bar inside of this. So that's why we put it plate a little bit there. So now we are going to put the screw here, and I guess we are done.
Screws here first.
Yeah, this one first, and this one. Mr. Wondering World is using this kind of tool. What is that kind of tool?
Allen wrench.
Huh?
It's an Allen wrench.
Okay, that's it. So he's using that one to put this screw.
All right.
All right. This is what I am telling you at first, that you're going to slide this one to this one, so that for this bar. We measure it already, that it's already in the center, so we are going to lock the screw there for this bar, and that's what Mr. Wondering World is going to do right now. So that's it, guys. So we need to lock that one so that this bar will not going to move. That's why he's putting the screw of this tube here. What did you get?
I got the locks off of it.
So he got the lock already, guys. So I guess we are ready to slide.
We're ready to slide.
So can you show to us what are you talking about? What is that lock?
These are the retainer clips. This is what holds the spring, keeps it from unwinding.
So that's what he get there, up there. So I guess we are ready to slide out already.
We're gonna slide it.
So guys, we are going to slide this and see if our job is good. And look at that. See, that's our slides that we put the awning. See, so it has a cover already. Good job! So we have a good job today, guys. We are planning to put all these slides out, a awning, soon. So for now, we put this one first. Guys, we are putting this, what is it, love?
Caulking.
Caulking. So we are putting the caulking here on the edge. So that's all the way up to there. guys, we put that caulking, the reason why, so that the water will not going to get into this behind the bar, this awning. That's why we put this caulking here. Now guys, we're almost done with this.
And to get this to start drilling, it's going to be difficult. There.
So there. So I guess guys, that's the last one that we need to put.
Supposed to put one in the other end.
Area, and then the other end, and that would be the last. Is it?
Yeah.
So
I think I could get at it too from this other end too. That's it.
that's it, guys, and we are done with our project.
Yeah.
See this? Oh, it's so quick and easy. Is it?
Yeah.
But it's just so hot, that's why.
Yeah. Let's.
So that's why we can work on this, because our slides is in. And now that we're done, we are going to slides out again. So guys, if you have question about putting a awning, just comment down below and maybe we can help you. And don't forget to like, share, and comment down below, and hit the notification bell for our next one. Bye bye guys. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.